The Ender-5 Max 3D printer by Creality offers an impressive large build volume of 400 millimeters by 400 millimeters by 400 millimeters, making it ideal for handling extensive projects and batch printing. With an ultra-fast printing speed of 700 millimeters per second, this printer ensures rapid production without sacrificing print quality thanks to its high-performance motors. Its precision is enhanced by a 36-point auto-leveling system, which guarantees accurate leveling and optimal adhesion for consistent printing results. The all-metal extruder is highly durable and resistant to wear, allowing for stable and continuous printing over extended periods without the risk of clogging. A comprehensive smart ecosystem is included, featuring a built-in webcam for time-lapse, Creality Cloud remote monitoring, and versatile connectivity options such as Wi-Fi, LAN, and USB. The Ender-5 Max is designed with professional users in mind, offering a robust feature set that supports high-speed, high-quality 3D printing for various applications.